I've been reviewing Tesla accessories since I started this channel in 2021, and I feel like I got my hands on everything. But one name that keeps popping up and has been mentioned by my followers for years is Jowua. Today, I finally got my hands on some of Jowua's Tesla accessories. Since you guys are used to me reviewing essential accessories like phone mounts and center console organizers, I wanted to bring you something different. So today, we'll check out some unique accessories. Thank you to Jowua for sending out the following products for review. Let's get right into it with the first accessory. These are the magnetic car seat holders, which turn the back of your Tesla's headrest into MagSafe mounts, which can be used for different solutions, such as mounting an iPad for your passengers or kids, giving them additional entertainment during long road trips to play games, watch movies, or more. You can also use it as a hook to hang shopping bags or other items like umbrellas. Jowua also makes a MagSafe compatible tissue box that can be used with this mount. For tablets and phones without MagSafe, you can use Jowua's universal magnetic rings to turn any device MagSafe compatible. I really like these things. The build quality is solid and it's a simple way to add more features to your Tesla. Next, we have the AirPods charger stand, which solves a massive problem for AirPods owners. If you're an owner, you know that most AirPod models come with a wireless charging case. However, if you ever try charging them on your Tesla wireless charging pads, you'll notice that it doesn't work. This is because the wireless charging connection is located in the middle of the pads since they're made to charge mobile phones. Jowua's charger stand lets your AirPods sit in the perfect position to charge with no problem. And since there's a difference in case size between standard AirPods and AirPods Pro, the stand can be rotated to fit your specific model. I think this is an awesome product, and for about $5, it's a no-brainer. This is Jowua's dual USB-C hub for the refreshed 2021 Model 3 and Model Y. It's a USB hub that installs into your center console, bringing the USB-C ports to a more convenient location at the top of the center console. One outputting 27 watts and the other 18 watts. In addition, it adds 3 USB-A ports for better compatibility with various devices. The charger automatically distributes power to all the connected devices, ensuring all charging devices are dynamically adjusted and optimized. But what makes this hub unique is not only its slim design, but it also doubles as an LED light so you can easily see what you're looking for when it's too dark. If you have one of Jowua's center console trays, it will fit with no problem. And if you have a pre-refresh model, there's another version for your car. Next up is this portable air compressor, which is something I wish I had in my Tesla years ago. This compact compressor is just slightly larger than a water bottle in width and is shorter in its height. It's surprisingly small but packs a bunch of features. Unlike other portable compressors on the market that needs to be plugged into a 12-volt adapter, this one is wireless, uses battery power, and can be fully charged in just 30 minutes using a fast charger. It has a large screen that's easy to read, displays all the information you need, and lets you set it to your exact PSI, preventing overinflation. This thing can handle high pressure loading because of its alloy casting cylinder, which is specifically tailored to EV's high tire pressure requirements. It comes in this nice shockproof case and includes various accessories to meet all your needs. You also get a set of these tire valve caps as a bonus. I think every driver should own one of these. Let me know what you think of these accessories so far. After the 2023.26 software update, you can connect wireless controllers to your Tesla via Bluetooth, which makes now a great time to check out these Tesla gaming controllers designed to take your gaming experience to the next level with powerful dual motor vibration, built-in 6-axis gyro sensors, and auto burst functionality. It also supports Steam for refresh Model S and X owners. The controller features a built-in 600 mAh rechargeable battery and supports USB-C cable charging and playing at the same time. I like these controllers because they have all of the functionality of a standard controller but are packed into a compact design, letting me store them in my Tesla without any issues. They come in 2 colors, and not only can they be used with your Tesla, but you can also use them with other gaming consoles like Xbox and Nintendo Switch. This little thing here is a 4-port USB Dashcam hub for your Model 3 or Model Y. This simple device turns one USB port into 4 ports, supporting a Tesla USB drive and 3 additional devices all at once. The main port has super speed for recording and saving footage at high speed. The other 3 ports are high speed for things like wireless controllers and more. It has a metal housing for durability, shielded to avoid interference, and is made to dissipate heat. This is a cool little device to keep in your Tesla, expanding its capabilities. Lastly, we have the 100-watt charger, which lets you turn your 12-volt charger into a USB-C and USB-A port with fast charging supporting up to 100 watts to charge large electronics like laptops, handheld gaming consoles, or even the tire compressor I showed you earlier. It has a zinc alloy housing with a silicone cover and gold-plated contacts to reduce resistance and improve sensitivity. Since you'll be using it to charge large electronics, it has protection features such as overvoltage, overcurrent, inverse current, temperature, and short circuit protection. All you need to go along with this is a charging cable such as Jowua's magnetic USB-C charging cable. This cable features a cool rotating head and magnetic connection that lets you easily connect your devices with one hand by attaching the USB-C head to your device. It supports up to 60 watts power delivery and data transfer rate up to 480 megabits per second. It has a 1M nylon braided cable and is something every Tesla owner should have in their car. And there you have it, 8 unique Tesla accessories from Jowua, a brand with over 15 years of experience engineering highly specialized accessories, and their expertise clearly shows. If you're interested in any of these products from Jowua, you can get 5% off right now using my code MikeSeuss via the link in the description. I'm happy I got to check these out, and I will use them all daily. Let me know what you think of Jowua's products in the comments, and if you'll be getting some for yourself. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like these 2 videos. Until next time, peace.